How to draw the Green Goblin, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by drawing the outline of the top of the Goblin's head. Well done! Next, on the left and right hand side of what we just drew together, we're going to begin to draw a line going up and down that will be slightly curved. This will be the beginning of the ears. Now let's move on over to the right hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the left. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. Well done! So far this is a great start. Now we're going to begin to connect the top of the head to the lines that we drew on the left and right hand side. This will help make the top of the ears of our Green Goblin. Now on the outsides of each ear that we previously drew together, we're going to begin to add in another curved line. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like so that other YouTube artists just like yourself, as well as other Spider-Man No Way Home fans, can also learn how to draw the Green Goblin. So as of right now, we're currently done drawing the top outline of the face. Next, we're going to begin to work our way down, and we're going to begin to draw the outline of the chin. But first, we're going to begin to draw a small line on each cheekbone to help us work our way down. So in just a moment, we're going to end up making these two lines connect by using longer lines to help connect them all the way down towards the bottom end of the page. Let's just use a small straight line going straight across to connect these 2 points. Well done. Currently the ears are not connected to the head, so let's go ahead and use a couple small curved lines to connect the ears to the head. So before we can continue, let's take a quick second to recap what we have done so far. We have the outline of the chin drawn, as well as the top of the head, as well as both ears. Next, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the eyes, which will be directly above the cheekbone. A little to the right, we'll draw the right eye, which will be the exact same size as the one that we drew on the left-hand side. Whoa, so far this is coming along very well. Now we're going to begin to draw the nose in between the two eyes by using two rectangular shapes that are going up and down, along with one C-like shape on each side of the nose. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Now in order to draw the nostrils, we'll draw two C shapes. Great job! Now we're all done drawing the nose as well as the eyes. Next, we're going to go right below the nose and the eyes that we previously drew together, and we're going to begin to draw the mouth. For the first step of drawing the mouth, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the top of the mouth by using a curvy line that will be going from left to right. Beneath this line, we're going to use a big U-like shape to connect from the left to the right-hand side. Fantastic! Now on the inside of the mouth, we're going to begin to draw the teeth. We'll draw 6 teeth on the top and 6 on the bottom, so 12 in total. On each set of teeth on the outsides, those will be the longest teeth, with the ones in the middle being the shortest. Later on in the video, you'll notice that the teeth will be colored in gray, with the back of the mouth being colored in black. Well done. Now right below we will begin to draw the second set of teeth. So now we have the major portions of the face drawn, including the eyes, the ears, as well as the mouth and teeth. So now we're going to begin to add in some detail. Most of everything from here on out will be just adding in detail. For the first step of adding detail, I'm going to make an outline beneath the teeth that we just drew. Nicely done! Now on the left and right hand side of the mouth, we're going to begin to draw backwards, upside down, L-like shapes. This will help form the jawline. Next, we're going to begin to add a little bit of detail to the top of the head. We're going to begin to make a V-like shape that will connect from the left hand side to the right hand side. On the inside of this V-like shape, we'll draw a line going up and down which will connect to the top of the head. Now between the eyes and ears, we have a couple small lines coming down. On these small lines, we're going to begin to add in a shape. We're going to add in one shape on each side, and they'll both be the same size. Now we will use a curvy line to connect these shapes to the eyes. Below each of the Green Goblin's eyes, I'm going to draw a curved line. As of right now, both of the Green Goblin's ears look a little bit empty, so let's go ahead and add in some detail inside of each ear. We'll add in 3 more pieces of detail. We'll add in 2 curvy lines above the eyes, along with 1 line that is straight going up and down beneath the nose. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw the Green Goblin, and if you're a big fan of Spider-Man, then I highly recommend you consider checking out one of our previous Spider-Man drawing tutorials. And if you'd like to learn how to draw more characters, just like this one today, then I highly recommend you considering the subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post. And if you're a member of the Learn How to Draw Hub crew, which means you're subscribed to the channel, that means you can request all of the drawings that you would like down in the comments below. At the end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of this drawing colored in, so feel free to pause the video and match your colors. Can't wait to draw with you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.